Did you know that you could use just an image, just a screenshot, just a frame of the project you're working on to get the perfect custom sound effect to suit it? Let's take a look how you do it. I'm here in Resolve now and I'm working on this scene. It has this military character. So I've taken a screenshot of this frame. I'm going to jump to Krotos Studio. I'm going to go to the AI button here, which opens up the AI Ambience generator. I'm going to click this icon here, which opens up a little option here for me to find the screenshot. I'm going to import that and it's going to build me a prompt based on that image. I'm going to say warehouse here. Rather than voices, give me something eerie, metallic. Something like that. I think it needs a little bit of tension. I hit generate, let's see what it's going to produce for me. Let's balance those layers. So I'm going to stop that preview. I'm going to go to render. I'm going to just say, give me 35 seconds. I can pick up the stereo recording, drag it in, or I can also use stem drag and drop because it allows me to drag in the stems. So every layer of those 4 layers that I created there in the preview. And you can see that the naming of those files is really handy. It is really clear for me to figure out what that is and backtrack. Let's hit play. Just adjust the mix of those elements, which I can do really easily now because I've got the stems. Great, now that's a really good starting point for the ambience of this scene. I've got a really good head start using the image preset. I can continue to work with the sound design on top of it.